Hey everyone, it's Tim Holtz. Place this down and lay this right on the top. Told you it's like creative chaos around here. That's what I love about die cutting. Same thing, just gonna go in and kind of scribble those on. Perfect for the creative convenience of the everyday crafter. That's you and me, right? I love the intensity, kind of the vibrancy. Look at that, that's so cool. And I can just keep going in. Remember, this is reactive with water. Same rules apply. Start off the edge, and you can see it oxidize right on the brush. Allows me to dig through my colors, kind of channeling my childhood days. I'm just going to apply the pressure, lift it off, look at that. And this one is for thin dies. It's a great trick when it comes to doing any type of embossing. Now, why would you need a giant pair of scissors? Well, first of all, they're great. That's why. This top latch is going to release the doors of the vagabond. And we're just gonna press that down. And I'm excited to share with you a lot of unique differences between distress ink and distress oxide. So I'm just gonna place that, and I'm just going to start cranking that machine. Some tips and tricks on using distress crayons. And vintage, as you can see, is a pre-tinted collage medium. Really, really cool. So far, so good. Here we go. Thanks for watching. If you like this video and want to see more from Scrapbook.com, please like, share, subscribe, and leave a message. Happy crafting!